What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video covering as much of Southern California as I can. Out in the Antelope Valley. Got a mall out here. Let's go see what's up. Man, this Lancaster cold hits different. Holy cow, it is cold as hell. Oh my god. Alright, let's go see what they got. They got a few sneaker shops. And I found them steals at that low volume Sheikh a while back. I don't know. Let's go. Alright, do got a Sheikh. Sheikh's been having all kinds of dope sales, especially on Michelin and stuff. Let's go see if they got any. They got sneakers and stuff. Man, we're skipping all that for now, man. We'll get back to it. Then I see the signs that I like to see. Kind of bootleg looking, but I love these signs. And I'm seeing the signs everywhere. And all you need are the orange tags. All you need are the orange tags. Do got Lakers gear right here. $60 for these, so 30 bucks. $30 for these Lakers shorts. Do I pull the trigger? 30 bucks for these Lakers shorts, doggy. Oh my god. Do I have to pull the trigger? Man, I'm trying to cut down, yo. I'm trying to cut down, but I'm trying to build a collection of these shorts. So they got these right here. Then look, like I have the red ones, I believe. I have the red ones, but I don't have the black ones like this, you know. And everybody has Chicago colorway stuff, right? Let's see. This is a medium, small, medium, and let's see. And I see the tag right there. So all mediums. Let's see what the price is on this one. The price is $40, so $20. Normally 80 bucks down to 20 bucks. Damn, dude, finding all kinds of steals. So I'm looking at the difference between the small and the medium. The medium is it's a noticeable amount thinner. The length is the same. It is a noticeable amount thinner. This is only 20 bucks. Lakers is $30. But obviously I got tons of Laker stuff. Alright, I'm being nosy, looking through all this stuff. These are all men's. They do have one leftover pair of the women's ones. These are like the little short booty shorts looking one for women. This is extra small. The extra small, 57 for this. Is that a markdown? Yeah, it is a 57. So I think that's on sale as well. But it's not orange though. I think it's supposed to be. I think that's on sale. So 27 for that. They got these Bulls ones. It's kind of like looks like real, like for kids and stuff. But are these marked down? Are they? This one says no, but the next one says yes. So $45. That's what, $22.50. Like, these are pretty dope for chicks. It's not bad. Vince Carter for women, $70 for these. The Grizzlies. Is this the OG Grizzlies? The Vancouver Grizzlies? I don't see a sale sign though, but we've been seeing that left and right. So $55 for those women's shorts. These short ones are hot on chicks. Then they got these. Is this like an N7? No, because that's a Nike thing. But yeah, they got these wild ones right here for the Lakers. Not really digging this one. These are going for $50, so $25 after the savings. So yeah, so I'm thinking about the medium. It's only 20 bucks though, you know. I can give it to my kid if anything. The Lakers, I gotta grab these for 30. Of course, I'm looking at all the apparel being hella nosy. 75 for that Bulls one. Rodman with the flame, kind of weird. Durant jerseys, the Brooklyn Durant jerseys, these are gonna be hella cheap now. $80. Get that 60 off. Oh, it's not even 50, it's 60, right? Oh, dang. Got Lillard jerseys going for $90. These are the Nike Swingman jerseys. I don't know what size this is. Size large. They got a couple more sizes, double XL right there. Lakers, Dodgers, jackets. These are the starter jackets, 120 for these. Got a few of them. Got Super Bowl hoodies right here. Starter hoodies, pretty good quality. I think it's 150 down to, no, 115 down to 60, so $30 total. And I'm like a detective, yo. I'm looking for all the steals right here. They got these other Laker shorts. I'm just not digging those at all. I don't see a sales tag on that one. Do I see a sales tag? Nah, I don't see a sales tag on that one. What's some of these mediocre ones? This is fire. Penny Hardaway, All-Star jersey. Yeah, this is from what, 96 or something? 1996. Hey, not bad, dude. $70 for this one. I have the Shaq one. That's why this is a medium. These seem to fit a little tight compared to most of the other Mitchell and Ness gear, though. Got a Curry one. Got a Curry, Del Curry, right? Yeah, back from 92, 93. I don't see a sales tag on this one. I have a feeling these are all on sale. Some of them just aren't marked. And I got a Pippen one as well. I'd be surprised if that was on sale. It's like a double XL. So the $1 million question: do I buy this one as well as that one? This one I gotta buy. You know, like I can fit a medium. Shorts, I just like them a little baggier. I don't know, like with my long pants, I don't really wear them baggy, but shorts, I kind of like it. I don't know. Whatever, I'm talking too much. Let's get them. I feel like I've spent an hour here. Do got a Jordan section here. Okay. Do got the Lucker Green 2s. Those are what, 175, I believe. They got the Ginger 14s. They got the utilities. These are on sale for $120, and they should be. They should be. Utilities are awful. 7s. Do got the Space Jam 1 lows. These are actually fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie, these are fire. Damn, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. What, $125 or something? I don't even know what price of the lows are now. 7s. Got those 3s right there. I got those as well. Damn, I came out to cheaper than I thought. It'd be $16.26. $46 after tax. Holy crap. Holy crap. And their selection of sneakers, amazing. This is the Nike section right here. Have I seen these? MX90. These are fire, dude. These are pretty dope. $140. It says it's sale. It's like, that's not the sale price. That's just the original price. But they do got a bunch of stuff. But yeah, we got other shops to hit up. So let's go. Let's go. They do have a Pro Image Sports. I wasn't able to hit that up. They have a Lids. Lids hasn't had any deals. They also have this Reflection Sports shop right here. Looks like they got a bunch of stuff. But yeah, I ain't got a lot of time today. I've been chasing the apparel stuff. Y'all saw me go through a ton of apparel just now. All right, let's go. Go check out Foot Locker. Let's see what's up here. Section de Jordans right here. Damn, that's it. That's it. Holy crap. I can't even pan. Been seeing these Air More Up Tempos on sale. Got some new Air Forces. They got like 50 different Air Forces. Different materials and all that stuff. This is like a nylon material up top. $130 for this one. Got the skinny laces too with one of those. Why am I forgetting what that's called? Lace lock, with the lace lock. Yeah, you don't see that too often. Okay, Nike Moving Company. That's interesting. Do you remember during the pandemic when you couldn't even find white Air Forces? It's crazy how time changes. LeBron 20s, readily available now. I still like these, man. These are still one of my favorite ones. Ton of sneakers, but not really finding anything hot. Not like any crazy sales. Kyrie's, come on, man. Drop the price on those Kyrie's, please. Do got Vans on sale. Nothing really catching my eye too crazy though. These old schools. Material on these, look, oh wow, look at that. Not digging the color though, like a purplish hue to it. Not really digging that. $30 though. And then these Lowlands. I am a fan of these Lowlands. Price going down on them. Not bad. The price needs to go down further though. I do really like these. I do have a pair. Then got the Stranger Things one still. That's surprising. Maybe it's the Stranger Things. Is that dying down a little bit? Is that what it is? And then they got these. But look, did this release this weekend? Was that this weekend? Oh my god. These were like a big GR this time. These did release, was it December 2020? Is that when it released? I tried for them, did not get them. These released on 210. I did not know that. Holy crap. Man, I'm gonna have to get these. These are GR, so am I gonna be able to take some time to get them? Oh, man, I just wasted all that money on the shorts. Yeah, these are the Reebok Kobe PEs. Man, these are fired. Why does it say? Oh, I was like, why does it say 3? Duh, because that's Iverson's number. But yeah, I think the original, I think the Kobe one had his number on it, right? That is fire, dude. I need to grab those eventually, man. Then we're checking the grade school. What the hell is this? What is this? 6, 17, 23s? Man, really? Get some cheap Vans, I guess. $20 for grade school. Got a few of them for $20. Some slip-ons. 2s available. Probably smaller sizes only. And then the Aquas. Did the Aquas sell out here? Like, I think these would be readily available. More grade school stuff right here. More grade school stuff. Some Dunks, man. Crazy. More grade school. This probably is like smaller size. Oh, this is size 5, not the smallest size. Some 36 highs. Been seeing a ton of the lows. Haven't seen the highs. This is the bread colorway right here. They got so much. Look at how close the sneakers are below, man. They just packing them in. All right, let's go check out. I think we have one more store here, I think, right? One more store. All right, we do have a finish line here. Hope you guys are learning from the channel. Like, dude, whenever there's a sale, you have to hit up a bunch of spots. That's how I've been finding all those deals at Sheikh. The Sheikh deals have been crazy, especially with all that Mitchell and Ness gear. I've gotten so many shorts and stuff from the Sheikh deals as well as the Lids deals. Like, they've been kind of very similar, dude. $20. Was it $25 and $17? Like, that's how much I paid for those shorts today? Crazy. This is the big thing here today. Space Jam mids. I think these released on the 10th, so that's what, yesterday? I've been working like every day this week, so I've like forgot what day it is and stuff. But yeah, these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad. I think the lows, I don't know, do the lows look a little bit better? I don't know. They both look pretty dope. Dude, am I getting them? No, but they look alright. Dude got the inside out for the men's right here. And the Aquas. Dude got the Aqua 5s. These, I don't know. I'm just not feeling them. The Kyrie's on sale right here. Team Banks. No, they're not. Tentacumpos. The Immortalities on sale. $30 off. Not bad. KD Trade 510s on sale. Pretty much every basketball sneaker here. Airmore Up Tempos. The Romas on sale. This has like really soft leather. This one does not. All the other Romas I've had have had super soft leather. This one just doesn't seem that soft. Another pair right here. This one, the leather seems a lot better. So, oh, you know what? No, it's not. This is not the same Romas, man. This is not the same Romas that we've seen for the last 20 years. I used to wear the hell out of these Romas, and the leather, man, they're cheaping out, yo. They always had premium leather on these, like super soft leather. They got destroyed hella quick, but I always love the look of these. The classic colorways, not like these crazy colorways. And we have been seeing these on sale, the Iversons. That's fire. And got one leftover pair of the 2s. Jordan 2s is the size 9 right here. Okay. Checking out the men's section right here. Not seeing too many sales, to be really honest. A couple of Air Max 97s on sale. We've been seeing those on sale. This looks like a new design. I'm not aware of these. Air Max TW. I don't know. Okay, they're here. They're interesting. $160. Pretty steep. Kid section. More of the same. Air Max 90s go for what, $40 off. Yeah, nothing too crazy, yo. I'm not gonna lie. Dude got these mids right here. Haven't seen these. Kind of looks like cartoony. And then some lows, and that's about it, yo. Oh, I haven't seen this one. Not seen that one. $120 for these. This is a dope colorway, actually. Is this a women's? Yeah, this is a women's. This is a dope colorway. Holy crap. All right, but that's about it, dude. That's about it. I think we're done. Found some deals. Time to go home. I come in when it's bright as hell. I leave when it's dark. Some of the visits are like that, man. At least I got to show you guys the Tesla thing. You guys can see that in a sec. Dang, this mall looks bougie. Look at this. Got Tesla superchargers. Got them on both sides. Got a ton of them. Does that mean this is a bougie mall? No, not really. All right, let's get started. So I thought all these fools were like at the mall and they just got their cars charging for a minute. No, not really. Like, this is their gas station, so you know they're chilling in the car. They're chilling in the car. Those two are chilling in the car. They're just chilling, just filling up their tanks, I guess, huh? You know, but it is pennies on the dollar compared to a regular gas station. But you gotta wait, you know, 40 minutes.